Hello YouTube friends and family. The leg. So we're gonna have to use your torch. Separate video. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm in the same top you've seen me before. Looking for the same job. We are
putting that back on.
gonna have a look what's under here.
One we prepared earlier.
More tape. So this is some quality gaffer tape. I've never seen anything this sticker. He's eating it and making it worse?
Not really, no. He won't make it coming off at all without some heat on it.
I don't know what it is, but this is one he's got broke bumpers on him, right?
Yeah.
Every time we see one, he's got a smosh bumper.
Lady baby. Oh, so that. Delete.
What? No. We got some in that.
Ooh!
I told you, I've got a big chunk missing there. This got this stinky. This bleeding whales, absolutely honest.
Baby stinks.
I'll put it under my arm and squeeze it. Send some monkey stamp out.
That's this.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's coming out the side step.
Oh. So, yes, it's bad. We're gonna have to. They're gonna be easy to reconstruct, but I think we need to find some plastic the same as this that we could, you can use chunks out of. Because you are gonna. I can't see a spider webbing that together, can you? Or do you think you'll be able to?
You can, but it's whether it's getting the shape of it. It's
the
hard part. I mean, you can build it up.
We can rebuild it.
What's that down there? Looks like the end of the spanner.
It's just a clip of some description out. Anyway, we'll have a think about it. We'll think about it and see what we can do. Back in a bit. So it's been rebuilt, the bumper there, with plastic rod and the plastic welder into the right shape.
Oh, I'm going to stick that one.
There's a little split there. So just melt the plastic and stick it together and build up the shape that the bumper used to be. Then obviously fill the gaps in and some filler and a bit of a paint, and we'll see what it comes out like. Hold that off.
Clean it off. I'm trying to get them.
Trying to reach the knife.
I'm trying to get the knife.
What is this plastic? ABS or something?
Well, this is ABS because it's got when they mould it, it's got rubber in it, impregnated in with it, give it the bounce back factor. But this is PVC, but you can actually weld PVC to ABS to do this type of thing.
So there you go. It's being built up like that anyway, and then make it look nice.
I mean, this was all.
Yeah, it's all bouncy, already. You can see it's
all underneath as well there.
It's been welded under there. It's nice and rigid now, so you can see it.
Yeah.
Even these bits, it's all rigid.
What I did was pull this piece at the back forward and welded the two together.
Oh yeah.
So the back one is now supporting this front one.
Yeah, so it's going to be nice and solid as well. So it ain't going to be all floppy and fall to bits. quick update. You can see there that it's all built up and it's all super strong now. All the cracks have been welded underneath and on top. And we're just going to fill sand, paint. Started the filling, just to fill that up now. There was lots of ridges across that we filled in with the welding, and now just got a bit of filler on there that we're going to sand down flat, and then we'll paint that up so you can't tell the difference between the two sides.
It's solid.
Yeah, it's absolutely solid. So it ain't one of them where somebody's filled it with foam.
No.
It's an actual repair with plastic and then some filler. Built a few layers on there of filler to make that look good, and then we'll sand it
Saw
in.
that we filled all of this smashed piece. We filled that in with the welding rod, PVC welding rod, and the hot air welding gun. We've slowly built it up to get the shape back in the bumper. And now what we've done now is we've sanded that down, but we've filled in some finer holes in the bumper. What we're going to do is we're going to sand that down using a standard sanding pad, and the dog has come to have a look. We're going to sand it down using a standard sanding pad, sand it all down so we can get it really nice and smooth, and then I'll come back to you later. We're going to tape it all off, cover it all over so that we can spray it, and we're going to be using, first of all, the etch primer. Once it's all done and it's all back to black, we'll do the whole bumper section so the whole thing matches. So be back shortly. Bye. We're going to do the whole thing so as we can we've not got to bother trying to blend it in. We can get a good coat on it, and then the whole thing will look really cool. As you can see, I'll continue doing this until we've got a nice even coat of primer all over it. And then what will, oh, wind's blowing under the door. Make sure you shake your can, keep it going, otherwise it could settle out and clog up. But you can see it's getting quite good now. There you go. We'll give it a really good coat. That's the weld on there that you can see that I did on the plastic. Right, we'll get that done, the rest of it, and we'll come back to you with the next stage when we're putting the top coat on. So, all looking good. We have ordered, actually, oh, I've covered them over now, we've ordered 2 new fog lights for in there. Both of these fog lights are completely shot away. So we've ordered a couple of new ones, so when we get them delivered, possibly tomorrow, we'll also be showing you how to do that. And one of the other things we've still got to do, this side, we've taken off the side step, and now we've got it turned round on the lift. We've got it in a position where we can take off the second side step. So we'll give you some info and update on removing that a bit later on. Okay, see you a bit later. We've now undercoated it all, and we're going to use truck bed liner. That has got a nice texture to it, and it'll look exactly the same, hopefully, as when it was made. So here we go. Please excuse me if you can't see the thing properly, but I'm trying to watch where I'm spraying and not the camera. Okay. Got a bit of wind blowing under the door here, but we need it for some ventilation.